What's up, everybody? It's Cameron with Surfboards.com. It's Friday. We're getting everything finished up for the weekend and shipped out. Just going to give you a quick walk around and show you what kind of stuff we're working on today. I'm going to flip the camera around. Let's see. First thing, we got a big old stand-up paddleboard going out this week. That's headed to California. Nice big C4 paddleboard. Hopefully the truck shows up to pick it up here in the next couple hours. Also have a shortboard going out today. This one is going to, let's see, Georgia this time. So yeah, a nice Quicksilver Ripper 5.4 shortboard. That'll be leaving today as well. And as you can see over here, our shipping table with David getting everything shipped away. Wearing a nice Hurley hat, by the way. Get those at surfboards.com. Oh, look, there's one right there. Somebody took our advice and bought one. But anyways, we got a full shipping table today. Lots of DC shoes going out. We got tons of belts. These are a really good seller for us. These Dakine rider belts and these Dakine rail belts. They're just your standard sort of like webbing belt. The rider's a little bit wider than the rail, but just super popular. We sell tons of them. Got some sunglasses heading out, lots of tees. Even got some boxer shorts and swim trunks in there as well. So tons of stuff shipping out. Let's see what else is going on. In my neck of the woods, we are still working through all of this Under Armour. When I said it is raining Under Armour yesterday, I was not exaggerating. Lots of different styles, lots of new ones, as well as just sort of refreshers of their old ones. Their ISO Chill line always has these really cool, funky camo colors. If you watched the video yesterday, you'll see we also got matching hats for all these. So you could have your full ISO Chill outfit going. Let's see, we got digital camo on some of the Under Armour. Lots of really patriotic designs with the sort of Under Armour stylized American flag. And then they do the same thing with their Freedom hoodies as well. This is a youth hoodie, but we sell the same design in adults as well. You got your stars and stripes without just being red, white, and blue. But if you like your red, white, and blue Under Armour, they got that available for you as well. So working on tons of Under Armour today. Looks like next week is going to be lots of Oakley tees, rash guards, shorts, sandals. So tons of Oakley that'll be coming up next week if you stay tuned. This table will be full of it because right now Hunter is back here taking all of our pictures for next week. Thanks for a thumbs up again, Hunter. So yeah, that's basically what we got going on at surfboards.com on a Friday. Volume's still pretty high. Lots of pictures to take. Lots of stuff for me to get put up on the website. Making you stare at Hunter there. But yeah, so check back next week. We'll have lots of Oakley going up for sale. We'll have all of this Under Armour hopefully up as well. And I'll have some more behind the scenes sneak peeks for you. Thanks, everybody. Have a fantastic weekend.